You love nutmeg, don't you there, Georgia? You take such good care of him. True love. No, that's your tail wrapped around him. I thought it was your arm. So sweet. No, he doesn't want the paw. He just wants the head. Aww. They're so sweet together. Yeah, he's got a lot of fur, doesn't he? He's enjoying that. He's spoiled, huh? You spoil him. No wonder he loves you. Giving him a full bath, aren't you, girl? Good grief. This is going to go on forever. Huh. Okay, this might not be unusual for most people, but it is for us to have this many birds in front of our place like this. I mean, we get birds in the yard, but it's usually out back where it's really big and open. I don't think I've ever in the 20, how many years we've lived here, seen this many birds so close to our deck. I don't even know what kind they are. They're dark looking things. Those light brown one over there. And I don't see our cats anywhere around. Oh, they're over in my neighbor's yard too, a bunch of them. Huh. I know it's rained a lot, so they must be finding a slew of worms and bugs. That's all I can figure. Huh. Oh, interesting. Okay, this is our backyard. Wide open. Lots of grass. Lots of space. Not a single bird. That is really weird. It's usually here where we get them. Oh well. And they finally showed up. The Orioles. We heard them today, but we haven't seen any. And it's like, I think they know the feeder's out there. I put it out yesterday and heard them chirping today, and there they are. We have our hummingbird feeder out too, and this morning a hummingbird came and ate out of that. There'll be more to follow. We usually get about, oh, speaking of which, oh, isn't this awesome? Got an Oriole and a hummingbird at the same time. How cool is that? Oh, I love it. I love it. Now, if my cats will leave them alone, they haven't caught either one of them yet, and they better not. Well, he flew off, but the hummingbird is still there, and I can't get this any closer that I know of. Nope, that's as close as I can get this camera on here. And she's watching, or no, oh, that's Pepper. Oh, no, he's like, I'll never get it, so I'll just go back to sleep. I think they left. I think it left. Where'd it go? Any other? No. But that was cool. We have birds. Yay!